Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials, that your plan and SIM actually include 4G/LTE and that the phone is unlocked or carrier compatible. Once done, check the firmware and baseband version so you know whether an update is needed. Outdated radio firmware often prefers 5G fallback. Make sure you have a working backup device and note current signal bars and cell ID. These initial checks let you avoid pointless steps and provide context for the changes you will apply next. Now dive into the deeper settings. You should set preferred network type to LTE only in system or service menus. This forces the radio off 5G. Next, manually select your carrier so the phone re-registers and picks appropriate bands. Update APN and carrier configuration files to ensure full 4G attachment. If available, install modem/baseband or carrier setting updates because those control radio behavior. Once these changes are applied, reboot the radio or the phone to make the new network choices take effect. Finish by verifying that the phone now shows 4G/LTE and run a speed test to confirm throughput. You can use vendor dialer codes or band locking apps to force specific LTE bands if the phone still prefers 5G. This helps isolate poor 5G coverage or external interference. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a factory restore as a last resort, and then contact carrier tech support with cell ID and timestamps. Troubleshooting tip: if you lose service after changes, revert the last setting to restore connectivity immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.